everybody, and welcome to my first tutorial on how to script. Today we're going to be looking at the bhop script for your own server in CSGO. This script is very smooth, very easy to install, and very non-stressful, you can say. First, here's some action on how I'm doing. You can hear me click my keyboard, sorry for that, but it's just how my keyboard is. As you can see, this is a very smooth bhop. I'm only holding down the spacebar. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just holding down the spacebar and draping back and forth. Sorry, I messed up there, but yeah, it's very simple to learn, and I'm gonna teach you how to strafe in midair if you don't know that. And if you do know how to strafe, you can skip to the tutorial in the to the time it says on the screen. Alright, now we're gonna start learning how to strafe. Okay, strafing and how to use this. Well, basically, as I said earlier when I showed you my demonstration, you just want to hold down the spacebar, and that will just make you hop up and down. You might see some like going forward a little bit, even though I was completely stopped. It really doesn't matter because that's not going to affect your bhop. So strafing, if you don't know what it is, it's basically when you're turning in midair, but you have to do a little combination for it to work. So you would probably just try it like that and it wouldn't work because you don't know how to do it. And that's why I'm here to teach. Alright, so when you're strafing, you want to synchronize your move keys with your mouse movement. So if I would want to strafe to the left, I would hold my A key while I do that. So I would run, jump A key, and turn to the left. Now you want to let go of your W button in midair, or else it's going to look like this. And it's not going to look good. So yeah, that's basically it. You can try it a few times on each side. For example, if you want to do a right strafe, you turn to the right and use your D key. So if you run, let go of W, D key, and turn right, there's a right strafe. So basically, you want to hold your space bar and let go of W. And while you have that, so you're not touching A or D, you hold A turning left and D turning right. And you basically just switch back and forth on the way you're turning, and then you got your bhop. It takes a while to get down, but it's not that hard considering you're using a plugin for a server that makes everything easier. It does not interfere with the 300 limit, 300 velocity limit, where it'll just start slowing you down. It's very strange, but very cool. So now I'm going to teach you how to install this and use it in your server. And if you do not have a server yet, I would recommend looking at a video. Sorry I don't have that, but it's it's not that complicated, but I would go and look up someone's tutorial. But yeah, okay, now I'm going to show you how to install the plugin when you already have a server. Okay, so now we're at the desktop. This is my desktop. It looks a little different than yours, probably a lot different. I'm using Windows, but I'm just using an application called Rainmeter that just lets you guys a little tweak. Basically, say, what do I want to open? Say I want to open the File Explorer, just click on it and I'll bring it here, but it's just a little preference, and I can launch all my Steam apps here. There's my profile, and this I launch. And I have a bunch of other ways of opening applications, and I have my CPU usage right there. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go to get this plugin, we want to go to sourcemod.net/plugins.php. The link will be in the description. If we go to game/mod, Counter-Strike GO, title, switch bhop. The first one is what I use by Pyro, Quake bhop. We want to select that, and now we are appeared here. If you want extra configs and stuff, go here but I didn't need that. And what you want to do is you're going to click Get Plugin, and it comes up here. What you want to do is you want to open your CSGO, your server server folder. I'm going to go into CSGO, add-ons, source mod, plugins, and what you want to do is you want to take Quake bhop, and you want to drag it right in there. Now I already have a Quake bhop in here, wherever it is. I don't know where it is actually, but I have a bhop somewhere in here. I do use Quake bhop, so but yeah, that's about it. Don't delete this. I'm just deleting it because I already have it in my server folders. But basically, you just want to do that, add-ons, source mod, plugins, and then you just shoot it in there, and that should work. So what you want to do is you want to go back to your CSGO DS. Well, my name is CSGO DS. That's what it's called. Go to your start.bat and then start it up. Yeah, that should be it. Thanks for watching, and see y'all next time.